Just where do I start with this lot? It's not somewhere that you can come and pay and see these bikes. I'm lucky, I just get to come all the time because we've delivered every single one of these bikes. So I just wander down here. It's got them in every colour. Rocket 3. Bonnies galore. Oh, it's not straight. Let's straighten that up. There you go. Just how dedicated have you got to be? Look at these Z9s. This, just look at the colour. Like a flake bronze colour. Just gorgeous. Everything that David got is pristine. There's not a mark on anything. Apart from a bit of dust by the looks of it. Yeah, these are all owned by the same guy. You'll never get the address out of me. Look at the Triton. Lovely aerial. Well done, still Beezer. That's one of his newer additions. We delivered that the other week. Fizzy. Beautiful MV. The simplicity of that. Italians knew how to build a bike. Dougie Dragonfly. I just love these things. American spec one. Look at the bars. Just unbelievable. And a tractor. What more do you want? And then I think he's got a Norton that he uses for blasting around on. That's just the... I kind of in love with this little thing. But David says that that is an absolute pain in the arse to ride. But... it's got to be done. And that's his daily driver. Or daily rider, should I say. I always shout at people for calling driving bikes. And then that's interesting. Wow. Amazing. Which one? Which one? If you could only, if you could only,
for Christmas, mate. You like that, don't you?
if you could only keep one. That is difficult.
The Indian.
Indian?
I would think so.
I took me. I warmed to that one straight away. Gorgeous.
The Indian or the 1972 Z900.
Yeah. This is my favourite colour out of all ones. And paint's just immaculate. In fact, that is, that's pristine. Isn't it?
It's
not a mark on it.
Yeah.
Unreal.